Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This is a fun block. It's called Crab Claws. It's 12-inch finished. Here is the diagram. And here are 4 blocks put block to block. I like the way the points are all over the place. Patch A is a 2-inch finished half square triangle. We cut 2 7/8 inch squares, cut them in half once diagonally, and we'll get 2 patches. We'll need 12 patches of the background and 2 patches each of the light and the dark fabric. Here's the AccuQuilt dies that will cut this. There are AccuQuilt dies that will cut each of the patches, and they're listed right here. Patch B is a 2-inch finished square. We cut 2 1/2 inch squares. We'll need 8 for the background and 4 each for the light and the dark fabrics. Patch C is a 4-inch finished quarter square triangle. We cut a square 5 1/4 inches, cut it in half diagonally twice, and we'll get 4 patches. And that's what we need for each of the dark and the light fabrics. And patch C is a 4-inch finished square. We cut 4 1/2 inch square, and we need 1 patch of the background fabric. Easy steps to make this block, just 3 of them. The first one, we're going to take all the C patches and all the A patches, and we'll make 2 each of these flying geese. And then for step 2, we'll take all of the B patches and make 4 each of these 2 units. And then we'll put the block together. Here are the fabrics I've chosen: a white for the background and a dark and a light green for each of them. Half square triangles, squares, quarter square triangles, and large square. And we're going to do 4 different flying geese. We'll put them in order as they're shown on the instructions. Now we'll make 2 each of these, and I'll show you how to do that. I usually start on the right hand side, but you can start however you like. Fold this over, line up the bottom and this long side, and stitch 1/4 inch. Press your seams open, and then you'll come back and do the same thing with this one. Fold it over, line up the bottom and the side, stitch 1/4 inch, and press your seams open. That's what you'll do for all of these 8 flying geese units. Now step 2, we're going to take the B patches and make 4 of each of these. 4 of these and 4 of these. Stitch the 2 together and these 2 together. Press the seams open, and then you'll have a total of 8 of these units. Now the step 2 units are done. All we need to do is just look at the diagram and put the block together. Now it's all laid out. We'll just start sewing all the units together and then press the seams open, and the block is finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.